Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: calculate the molar mass of potassium acid phthalate KHC8H404 KHP. You will this number to do the calculation for part 1. Once you do the titration, calculate the molar mass of acetic acid HCH20. You will use the number to do calculation for part 3. Once you do the titration, solve the following problem. If it takes 35.04 ml of a 0.2455 M NaOH solution of neutralize 25.00 ml of an unknown HCl solution. What is the molarity of the HCl solution? Use the roadmap given under part 2 to calculate this problem. Roadmaps: first, calculate moles of HCl added ml NaOH equals L NaOH equals mole NaOH mole HCl2. Calculate liters of HCl equals added ml HCl equals LHCl equals. Third, divide moles of HCl over liters HCl equals. To calculate the molarity of your HCl equals solution, make sure to keep track of the correct number of significant figures. And the answer of the question is: to solve the problem, let's follow the provided roadmap. Calculate the molar mass of potassium and phthalate KHP KHC8H404 KHC8H404. Calculate the molar mass of acetic acid HC2H2H3O2 HC2H3O2. Solve the titration problem to find the molarity of the HCl solution. Here's how you can set it up in Excel. Step calculation. Result: 1 molar mass of KHP KHC8H404 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 KHC8H404. K is equal to 1 multiplied by 39.10. K is equal to 1 multiplied by 39.10. H is equal to 1 multiplied by 1.01. H is equal to 1 multiplied by 1.01. 1.01. C is equal to 8 multiplied by 12.01. C is equal to 8 multiplied by 12.01. 96.08. O is equal to 4 multiplied by 16.00. O is equal to 4 multiplied by 16.00. 64.00. Molar mass of KHP is equal to sum of the atomic mass 200.19 gram per mole. 2 molar mass of acetic acid HC2H3O2 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 HC2H3O2. H is equal to 1 multiplied by 1.01. H is equal to 1 multiplied by 1.01. 1.01. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 12.01. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 12.01. 24.02. H is equal to 3 multiplied by 1.01. H is equal to 3 multiplied by 1.01. 3.03. O is equal to 2 multiplied by 16.00. O is equal to 2 multiplied by 16.00 is equal to 32.00. Molar mass of acetic acid is equal to sum of the atomic masses 60.06 gram per mole. Calculate the molarity of the HCl solution. Volume of NaOH solution V NaOH is equal to 35.04 ml is equal to 0.03504. Molarity of NaOH solution M NaOH is equal to 0.2455 m. Moles of NaOH used N NaOH. N NaOH is equal to M NaOH multiplied by V NaOH. M NaOH multiplied by V NaOH. 0.2455 m times 0.03504. L is equal to 0.00861 mole. Moles of HCl neutralized NaCl is equal to N NaOH. NaOH 0.00861 mole. Volume of HCl solution VHCl LHCl equal to 25.00 ml equal to 0.2500 L. Molarity of HCl solution MHCl MHCl equal to NHCl VHCl VHCl NHCl is 0.00861 mole. 0.0250 L is equal to 0.3444 M 0.02500 L 0.00861 mole is equal to 0.3444 M 0.344 M. This table will help you organize your work and keep track of your calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.